Hi, I am Ujjwal Sutaria from the Fitness Cult. As we all know, mental health has become a need of an hour. So today we are here with Miss Arushi Borkar. Hi Arushi, could you tell our viewers something about yourself?
I am Arushi Borkar. I have done my graduation in psychology and right now I am doing my masters in clinical psychology. Over the years, I have been observing and conversing with some sports players.
तो आप मुझे बताओ कि साइकोलॉजी स्पोर्ट्स में कितना इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है?
स्पोर्ट्स में साइकोलॉजी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है क्योंकि प्लेयर का माइंडसेट उसके परफॉर्मेंस में दिख कर आता है. इफ़ अ प्लेयर इज़ ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट और अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट, वो उसके गेम में रिफ्लेक्ट करता है.
सो परफॉर्मेंस पे फोकस करने के लिए प्लेयर्स ने क्या करना चाहिए?
First of all, a player should increase his self-confidence. For that, he should set some goals.
गोल सेट करते समय प्लेयर्स ने किन चीज़ों पे ध्यान देना चाहिए?
सबसे पहले प्लेयर ने ये डिसाइड करना चाहिए that why is he into this game? Is he looking for a career out of it or he is just playing for enjoyment sake? So जब ये डिसाइड हो जाए तब आते हैं गोल सेटिंग्स. So there are two types of goals, short-term goals and long-term goals. So long-term goals is nothing but where a player sees himself 5 to 10 years down the line, whereas short-term goal is the roadmap to reach the long-term goal. In this, a player should take care of his physical health, mental health and communication. Under physical health, he should develop his game-related skills. He should concentrate on nutrition, strengthening and conditioning. In mental health, he should do meditation. He should analyze his game related skills. कहाँ गलतियाँ हो रही है, कहाँ सुधारा जा सकता है, ये सब कुछ प्लेयर ने देखना चाहिए.
जैसे आपने मेंटल हेल्थ का जिक्र किया, तो मैच के पहले प्लेयर नर्वस हो जाते या ब्लॉकआउट हो जाते, तो ऐसा क्यों होता है?
सो मैच के पहले नर्वस होना, डरना या पसीना आना या ब्लॉक होना इज़ नथिंग बट परफॉर्मेंस एंग्जाइटी. सो परफॉर्मेंस एंग्जाइटी में प्लेयर को समझ में नहीं आता कि भाई हम क्या करें, अब हम नहीं खेल सकते इसके बाद. सो दिस इज़ नथिंग टू बी वरीड ऑफ, इट इज़ जस्ट अ परफॉर्मेंस एंग्जाइटी.
I have seen many players that if there is a practice match or a league match, the anxiety level is low. Whereas the anxiety level increases if there is a semi-final or a final match. So how should a player deal with all of this?
So performance anxiety is necessary for a game. The level of performance anxiety changes as the level of game change. And performance anxiety is also dependent on experience of the player. So for example, अगर वो player experienced हो तो उसका performance anxiety थोड़ा कम होगा. Whereas a player is newcomer तो उसका performance anxiety ज़्यादा होगा. So there is a very thin line in the performance anxiety which can make you or break you. So rather than looking at performance anxiety as a threat, I would suggest a player should look at it as an opportunity to develop his skills.
आपने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली कि इसे अपॉर्चुनिटी की तरह देखना चाहिए प्लेयर्स ने. तो आप मुझे बताइए हाउ टू ओवरकम परफॉर्मेंस एंग्जाइटी.
So there are different techniques through which a player can overcome performance anxiety. Today I am going to share a very simple and most effective technique, which is visualization technique. So in visualization technique, what a player should do is he should sit down, close his eyes and think about the hard or the difficult situation in a game and how he will tackle it or how he wants his game to be. So in visualization technique, what exactly happens is you trick your brain because your brain cannot differentiate between ये reality में हो रहा है या आप ये imagine कर रहे हो. So your brain perceive this as ये reality में ही हो रहा है. So with this kind of mental rehearsal, whenever a certain situation comes in a match, your performance anxiety gets low and your confidence is built up. To give you some examples, Virat Kohli uses visualization technique. So he visualizes during a match, exercise करते समय, before a practice session, and he mentions that he visualizes small details like a bowler is bowling very aggressively. So इससे क्या होता है, whenever this kind of situation happens on field, he is able to tackle it very effectively and his performance anxiety lessens down. To give you one more interesting example of a player who uses visualization technique, Muhammad Ali uses visualization technique where he visualizes very small details like the smell of the ring, his sweat, the crowds cheering, the cameras flashing. And in addition to this, he also uses positive affirmation like I am the greatest. So ये तो हो गया इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे. लोकल लेवल पे भी प्लेयर्स ये यूज़ कर सकते हैं क्योंकि दिस विल हेल्प टू बिल्ड अप देयर कॉन्फिडेंस and lessen their performance anxiety.
So Arushi, I wanted to ask you one last question, that is, how should a player deal with his mental health during an off season, a injury or recovery period, rehab period, or take a situation like this pandemic where a player is not gaining any access to the field?
Okay, so here in these situations, a player goes through a lot of mental and physical roller coaster, where a player is very angry, he's frustrated, he's uncertain that what is going to happen. So in this, a player should take care of his basic needs, like he should eat well, sleep properly, then he should analyze himself that what do he want, what he wants in his life. He should take up something else rather than sports, like some hobbies. He should start playing virtual games with his team. He should talk to his coach. He should review and revive his goals. Talk about them to his coach. इससे क्या होता है that he calms down. He understands that everyone is going through the same situation. Everyone is sailing through the same boat. This gives him a comfort and lessens his anxiety.
Okay. Thank you so much, Arushi, for your valuable time and insight for our viewers. With this, we'll end the segment for today. I would like to tell all the sports persons, enjoy the process, enjoy the sport, stay safe, stay fit. Thank you.
So today we covered a very small topic of performance anxiety under sports psychology. To get more information, stay updated. So for that, like the video, share, subscribe, press the bell icon to never miss an update from the Fitness Cult.
Thank you.